Now I'm going to bypass the BIOS password of this PC. I entered the wrong password several times. Until it gives me an error code. Once it gives me an error code, I write this error code down. This error code is used by manufacturers to bypass the password set by the user. So we need to go to this website, bios-pw.org, and enter the error code that the laptop gave us. Now one of these codes will work, or it should, and for some Dell computers, when you're entering the code, you need to hold in Control and press Enter instead of just Enter. But most other computers, you can just tap Enter after tapping in the code, and it will work just fine. So hold in the power button of the BIOS locked computer until it shuts down, and then turn it back on, and go to the boot menu section. For me, it's tapping F9. And I inserted the password I got from the site. So now I successfully bypassed it, and I entered setup. You will need to look under the security tab, or just look through your BIOS menu, the different tabs, and look for the power on password or the BIOS password. And once we find it, we enter the password that we got from the website. And then we just leave the others blank and press enter. And it seals the power on password, which is the BIOS password. Next, we save the settings and exit by the on-screen instructions. For me, it's F10, and then I press enter to confirm it. And another way that you can bypass a password, if this doesn't work, that's a BIOS password, is to take the computer apart, take the BIOS battery out of it. There's BIOS batteries in laptops and desktops. If you take it out for about 2 minutes and then put it back in and put the computer back together, then the BIOS password will be cleared. And it should be noted that some manufacturers weld the battery inside of the system so that it can't be taken out. In this case, this website is the perfect way to bypass it.